Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic Secondary Education Commission, 1950 to 253, with reference to contribution to teacher education. Let us try to understand the various recommendations Mudaliar Commission regarding to teacher education. The Secondary Education Commission, 1950 to 253, in India played a crucial role in shaping the landscape of teacher education. This commission, also known as the Mudaliar Commission, was appointed by the Government of India to examine the existing state of secondary education and recommend measures for its improvement. The commission focused on various aspects of secondary education, and its recommendations had a significant impact on teacher education. 1. Recognition of the importance of teacher education. The Mudaliar Commission acknowledged the pivotal role of teachers in the education system. It emphasized that the quality of education at the secondary level is directly linked to the competence and skills of teachers. As a result, the Commission recognized the need for a well-structured and comprehensive teacher education system. The Mudaliar Commission explicitly stated, the teacher is the most important factor in any scheme of education. It is on the teacher that the successful working of any scheme of education fundamentally depends. 2. Establishment of teacher training institutions. One of the key contributions of the Commission was the recommendation for the establishment of teacher training institutions. It highlighted the need for specialized institutions to provide pre-service training to teachers. This recommendation led to the creation of teacher training colleges and institutes across the country. The Commission's report advocated for the establishment of teacher training institutions, stating, "We recommend the establishment of special teacher training institutions for secondary teachers. These institutions should be affiliated to the universities and should be maintained by the state." 3. Curriculum development. The Commission proposed a standardized curriculum for teacher education programs. It recommended that teacher training institutions should offer a curriculum that not only imparts pedagogical skills but also includes a strong foundation in the subject matter. This emphasis on a balanced curriculum aimed to produce well-rounded and knowledgeable teachers. Regarding curriculum development, the Commission recommended the curriculum of teacher training institutions should be designed to include general education, specialized education, and practical training. It should aim at developing the teacher's personality, enhancing his general knowledge, and improving his professional efficiency. 4. Duration and structure of teacher education programs. The Secondary Education Commission provided guidelines on the duration and structure of teacher education programs. It recommended a minimum duration for pre-service training to ensure that teachers are adequately prepared for their roles. The Commission also emphasized the importance of practical training and teaching practice as integral components of teacher education. The report outlined the period of training in a teacher training institution should be a minimum of 2 years. It should be a course of postgraduate standard, and the standard of the B.Ed examination should be raised to maintain the present standard of general education. 5. Quality assurance mechanisms. Recognizing the need for maintaining and enhancing the quality of teacher education, the Commission recommended the establishment of quality assurance mechanisms. This included periodic reviews and inspections of teacher training institutions to ensure that they adhere to the prescribed standards and maintain the required quality. The Commission emphasized quality assurance, stating there should be a statutory body for the control of teacher training institutions. This body should have the power of prescribing courses of study and syllabuses and of inspecting and supervising training. 6. In-service training for teachers. The Mudaliar Commission recognized the importance of continuous professional development for teachers. It recommended the provision of in-service training programs to update and upgrade the skills of teachers throughout their careers. This recommendation aimed to ensure that teachers remain abreast of advancements in pedagogy and subject knowledge. The Mudaliar Commission highlighted the need for continuous professional development, noting, "We recommend the establishment of in-service courses for secondary teachers. Such courses should be of 3 months duration and should be held in the vacation period." 7. Role and policy formulation. The recommendations of the Secondary Education Commission served as a foundation for subsequent policies related to teacher education in India. The insights provided by the Commission played a crucial role in shaping the national approach towards teacher training and education. The Commission acknowledged its role in policy formulation, stating, "Our recommendations are intended to provide a basis for the formulation of a national policy in regard to secondary education. We hope that they will be helpful to the central and state governments." In conclusion, the Secondary Education Commission of 1950 to 53 made significant contributions to teacher education in India by emphasizing the importance of quality training, curriculum development, and continuous professional development for teachers. The recommendations of the Commission laid the groundwork for the establishment and improvement of teacher training institutions across the country. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.